I'm put in this primitive situation. They have to do something for my country, okay, of this nature, because I am a true patriot. And they says this is the right thing to do. Okay, this is oppressing communism. This is to stop the flow of communism. Because half of this country does not want to be communist. They want to be free people. But looking up at the moon and saying to myself, here we can have the technology to put somebody up there, but we do not have the G2 or the brains to negotiate our way out of something like this.
Roger, that was some sort of rifle grenade that came all the way through the building, hit over the line. Have you pushed forward?
The wounded at? Where's the wounded at?
Get those wounded back to the rear. Roger, that was some sort of rifle grenade that came all the way through the building, hit over the line. Have you pushed forward?
Fireman up! Get him! Fireman up!
Down there somewhere. We've got the province building. We've got the complex. We'll go and we'll get the pink one. We've got Charlie on the run behind him. They're cutting him down now. As soon as the pink one's secure, American flag goes up. We'll be ready to raise the American flag if you, when you let me know it's good enough to let Gabby Hayes run it up over.
Where's on the other hook? I'll get him.
Roger, I'll come back to you as soon as I can find out, over. Hold this, Tommy.
Hotel 1.
Hotel.
Way to go, Steve! Come on, go down!
All right.
All right, give me this, Hungry, hard hotel company. Keep it. Are you finished? We want to get the hell out. 15. Hey, Bud. Let's get some men to get these holes over here. Come on out of here. Stay alive. Hey, get over here and help me drag this man out of here. Got him? Come here, look. No.
Get on the house.
Watch your language.
Wait.
Come inside. Help him over there. Get a rope and tie his hands in back of him. And blindfold him.
Got some parachute cord here.
Tie his hands in back of him and
Oh, there we
blindfold
go.
him. All right, he ain't going. Somebody find a piece of blindfold, a piece of rag over there. Get some of that gear over there. Hey, John. Oh, get some of that clothing over there and make them.
Yeah, we got him on the spider hole over here.
Yeah. Susie's seen it.
I know, I saw that. I saw it.